How to talk to strangers. That sounds strange, right? Yeah, it is. Because you have been taught not to talk to strangers, unknown people. But in real life, we have to. We have to talk to unknown people every single time to succeed in life. It doesn't matter what you do. If you're into business, you do business with unknown people. If you're a student, you always meet with other students whom you don't know. Every single time, we need to talk to strangers. But how to talk to them? How to start a conversation? Here is a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Hi there, this is Kumar. I'm all about helping people communicate well, build confidence, improve personality, and bring success habits in life. If you're watching it and have not subscribed this channel yet, do it right now to continue watching such kind of videos that would help you grow in your career and life. So here we go with step number 1, be open and welcoming. Yes, be open and welcoming. This is very first and important step you need to be following every single time you talk to people. People, especially strangers, will take interest in talking to you only if they feel that you're an open and welcoming person. And to do so, you need to have a sweet smile on your lips. You should have open body gesture with visible hands and clear eye contact. Your body posture should be quite open with straight shoulders and legs apart. Align your body so it's parallel with the person you're going to talk to, right? Do it first. Step 2 is open up with greeting. Within this step of greeting, there are 4 sub-steps. You first begin with saying hi, hello, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, etc. Then say how are you doing, how's things, etc. Then say your name, like my name is G. Kumar, how about you? After the person has told the name, do handshake if possible. And say nice to meet you, nice meeting you, how do you do, etc. Following these 4 simple steps will help you make that person feel comfortable and get ready for further conversation. And that's really important. Step number 3 is start with situational sentences. Yes, start with situational sentences. This is really important before you start your actual topic you're interested in. And situational sentences here, I mean where you and the stranger can easily connect. For example, if you're attending the first meeting in a new company after you have changed your job, the meeting is over now, and you want to talk to a person who is unknown to you at this moment. You may simply say like, I'm attending this meeting for the first time. I've recently started working here, blah, 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 etc. But it should not be too longer. This is just to engage with that person so that a trust, a kind of friendship can be built. And once it is built, people feel comfortable talking to you, right? Step number 4 is ask some questions. Yes, ask questions. After you're done with your situational sentences, now you may ask some specific kind of questions you are interested in. For example, in meeting situation, you may further say, I'm attending this meeting for the first time. I've recently started working here. How about you? How long have you been here? How's the work culture here? What kind of people are here, etc. You need to be asking some specific kind of question in between the talk with that person. And that is how you go on with the conversation, right? Step number 5 is closing sentences. Yes, closing sentences. After you have had all the conversation, it's time for you to end politely. And for this, you may simply say, it was really nice talking to you. It was really nice meeting you. It's been pleasure talking to you. It's been pleasure meeting you. It's been pleasure knowing a lot from you, etc. Hope to see you again. Looking forward to meeting you again. And that is how you end a conversation. That's so simple. So just follow these 5 steps anywhere, anytime, for anything, and get started with the talk with the strangers. See you again. Hey, if you really like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, hit the subscribe button and bell icon below so that you never miss any upcoming videos.